Hey guys, me Misha. Let's take a look at the markets. Let's get prepped for tomorrow real quick. Where are we? Why are we on months? I'm more so focused on these guys. Oh, what happened? That was wrong. Well, I did a quick buck here, but didn't go for a swing trade. It's okay. Not gonna cry. That's the trade I'm in. My biggest concern is that that this is not a level, it's a one bar rule, so then the level is here and it can go, and it's kind of did bounce. It can go again. We'll see tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow. That's our bear bank. I'm trying to share on this. Cisco. This is not how waves are formed. Yeah. On volume spring, guys, you see, the market was showing us. It was like, yeah, I have no volume on spring. Yeah. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. Gazprom. Yeah, it needs really to go there. Same deal. See you tomorrow. Nike. We need to be above this volume. Actually. We'll see, but super conservative. Come see, come ça. Monthly is good. Below 0.5 in historical volume. In historical level. It's not historical level. We have this level, so. Yeah, Ryzen. In better times, I would have taken it just from there. Just telling you. If not for the severe correction we are in, or like better place on monthly. Yeah, I would have just picked it up from here at the close of the market. But considering how market is right now, have to be very conservative. Costco is so high up there. You gotta be like super careful. This also, I mean, so up there, and absolutely the biggest volume. This guy looks like it wants to go lower. 0.5 maybe. I don't know. Super careful about everything, and I need to start distinguishing good recognizable companies and small companies I'm hearing about for the first time in my life. Same deal. Shouldn't be even like watching this stuff realistically. No name company. No offense, man. You guys are beautiful. The aviation company in New York, and I have a special place in my heart for aviation. However, I do not want to get stuck. Is an exhaustion volume like this? Look at this. Like, come on, Misha, be real. What's going on here? this kind of volume. Even more so this. Look at this. Like, come on. Absolutely the biggest volume. No, no, no. No, no, no. Don't be silly. Should really remove it just from my watch list and don't waste my time on it. I won't be able to do anything here. Just waste of my time. Same deal here, but that's at least like JP Morgan. You know what? I need to remove this stock from here. Sorry, guy. It's gone. This too looks like an exhaustion volume on hourly. On monthly though, it's so up there. It's just unbelievable. Yeah, and it like just falls. Doesn't look like an exhaustion, but it's like very significant volume. It is. And monthly so far up there. Boom. Shouldn't be really watching it. GM. Yeah. Same deal. Yeah. DVN. It's in a short trend, short impulse. However, point two. Good point two. Well, there is a bigger point two for you, Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice. Try to trade responsibly on your own. Learn and grow in communities of like-minded people. Carry out your financial decisions at your sole discretion. Never listen to anyone. That would be wild to pick it up from here. Volume's good though, right? Many things look really attractive. But I was like too wide to pick it up from here. This is not bad. 0.5 volume distribution is right. You know what I mean? Maybe I chickened out. Yeah, but no. Yeah, look at this volume. Don't even try to do that to yourself, Misha. This is not bad. There's still this situation here. Should keep in mind. No, you're not for minutes or hours, you're for months and days. Can easily go here. Keep in mind, absolutely the biggest volume whatsoever. Same here, right? Interesting. How do you manage it? It bugs me a little bit that I cannot deal with automatic rallies. There is some honey in there in automatic rallies, you know what I mean? Yeah, this is still like a little bit stretched. Like, and I'll be putting this like 0.5 of the entire trend so that not to forget that they're out there. Yeah, you never know, it can go lower, like much lower. It is that biggest volume. But you know, biggest volume on daily is not enough. Also that biggest volume on hourly. And this looks good on Dow Jones. The Toyota. Oof, look at this. Seems like absolutely that biggest volume. Does it mean it will hold the title? Absolutely not. But for now, it is that biggest volume of this entire drop. And you see that like all of a sudden they have a FATS meeting or whatever, Security Exchange Commission. And then they'll say they save the situation where, like, I mean, you don't have to save situation. It's absolutely beautiful exhaustion volume. But it's all the same on 5 minutes. Yeah, like, even in 5 minutes, as far as you can see, absolutely that biggest volume. The biggest volume on 5 minutes, on 1 hour, on daily. Does it mean anything? Absolutely not. Was it reasonable to buy it just from here? I don't know, once again, I don't know how to work with exhaustion volumes. Or with automatic rallies, I'm sorry. But yeah, Toyota Motor looks like everywhere. It's like, not everywhere, but the stocks I'm looking at look all across the board very similar symptoms. Exhaustion volumes. Yeah. Just I don't know how to work with automatic rallies. So it's kind of like this knowledge would have opened me to making money twice. You know what I mean? First an automatic rally, then get out, wait for like a bounce. And once it bounces and manipulates the level where it exhausted, just re-enter it again. So that would double my profits. I'm not there yet. Because picking it up from here is also called like catching falling knives. Because it can go lower. And it absolutely will sometime. This is good. Once again, don't forget this 0.5 is also here. It is. Like anything wider than that, deeper than that would be like wild. Like from here or anywhere else, but it's all possible. Totally ridiculous. Absolutely possible. Same deal across the board. You see, like I'm looking at very similar stock with my methods. I'm just picking up on the stocks that are ripe. It's a good sign. It's a good sign that it means I'm looking in the right direction. It's again. Like this now volume. Yeah, that would give us like 2 hours, just like this exhaustion candle, and just pick it up from here. It's good for 2 hours. Yeah. Awesome. Don't forget Misha. Totally ridiculous. Absolutely possible. All the same story. All the same story. There is a bigger volume on Wells Fargo. It looks like bank sector, financial sector. It looks weaker than some other stocks we looked at today. Oh yeah. Yeah, there is volume in our face. You see, it's different. Like Wells Fargo and JP Morgan are different from other stocks that I have on the list. Okay, the rest is dailies. This is not bad. Why is it on daily? Alright, because it's a 0.5, so we need the day level. Okie doke. Yeah, I'll let it go. I'll be like just way too much to pick it up from here. Microsoft did its move. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna let you go. Urina stock. Hope they're not gonna sue me. Well, it's not a humiliation. Urine is totally fine. So, I remember that story where like Russian cosmonauts on the International Space Station refused to drink distilled urine like everyone does, and they are being delivered like pure water from Earth. They're like, that's mean. Like the rest of the crew is just fine with distilled water, and it's like pure water. Our Russians are like, we're not gonna drink our own pee. It's funny in a way, but rude. The Russians are rude. We all know that, right? We are. Like stereotypes exist for a reason. It's not about who you are, it's about what you do with it. It's 0.5. Need a level now. Oops. Oops, stuck. You guys can call UPS whatever you want. I'm gonna call it oops. Okay. Okay, we have a whole bunch to look at tomorrow. So let's make it happen. See you tomorrow. Trade responsibly. Everything I say is not financial advice. Grow and learn together in the communities of like-minded people. Carry out your trades at your own discretion. Don't listen to no one. Nobody